Do you know about nature? Also, do you know what happens to nature? Many people don't really understand the current state of nature. Now, let's take a look at the current state of nature. Nature, as we know, it consists largely of the sky, the earth, and the sea. The extreme meaning of the sky is an infinite amount of space visible above horizon or on the horizon, but it is filled with the air. The cleanliness of the sky in this air is getting worse. What's going on? This is because sulfuric and the soot from many cars that from ours from China.
Next is the sea. The sea accounts for about 70% of the earth, but the sea is getting darker and darker. It is our responsibility. The fossil oil we used flowed out and polluted the sea. As such, nature is suffering great damage from us, and there seems to be no countermeasures or eyes at all. Wouldn't this nature change if we were a little interested?